Now the second part of this question is like this. In the scenario in the above question, consider a permanent increase in the income where W1, that means income in period 1 increases, and agent expects that income in period 2 will also increase by the same amount. Then the Marner propensity to consume uh, you know in period first with respect to income in period first is being given by the options are being given here. I will not repeat the options. So in the earlier part we have derived uh, the expression, that is we got C1 plus beta C2 is equal to W1 plus W2 upon 1 plus R. You can check the part first, then you can get the idea about this part. Okay, so actually it is also C1 here. Okay, so let's take C1 common. We are left with 1 plus beta. uh, so this is W1 plus W2 upon 1 plus R. That means C1 is equal to, transposing this here, so this is W1 upon 1 plus beta plus W2. Okay, or let me write it here. We have 1 upon 1 plus beta, which we transpose it here, then we have W2 divided by 1 plus R. Okay, so this is the consumption function for period 1. The question tells us that a permanent increase in income where W1 increases and agent expects that W2 will also increase by same amount, and we have to find out the del C1 upon del W1. Okay, let us first find out the del C1 upon del W1. Let's take the differential here. Okay, so differential of C1 will be, let me write it like this, dC1, okay, is equal to, take differential of this also, so differential of W1 will be dW1 upon 1 plus beta, and plus we have 1 upon 1 plus beta also, and take differential of W2, because we are being told permanent increase in income where W1 increases and agent expects that W2 will also change. Okay, we take the differential with respect to W2 also, that is dW2. Okay, now we are being told change in W1 is being compounded by exact change in W2. That means del W1 is equal to del W2. Okay, use this very idea here. That means del C1 is equal to del W1 upon 1 plus beta plus 1 upon 1 plus beta. In place of del W2 I can write del W1. Okay, so I guess I am forgetting to write this term also here, that is 1 upon 1 plus R. Then we have del W2, and same applies here, 1 upon 1 plus R del W1. Okay, since we are being told that permanent increase in income where change in income in period 1 increases and agent expects that W2 change in income in period second will also increase by the same amount. That means change in this del dW1 shows us change in income in period 1, and this dW2 shows us change in income in period 2, and we are being told that they are both equal. Okay, so in place of dW2 I have written dW1. Now we can do one thing here, and let us write it here like this, dC1, or if I have the space, let me write it here then. So dC1 is equal to, let's take dW common here, so dW1 common, we are left with 1 upon 1 plus beta. Okay, plus 1 upon 1 plus beta into 1 upon 1 plus r. Transpose this dw1 here, so we have dc1 upon dw1 is equal to, now let's take this 1 upon 1 plus beta common, we are left with 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus r. Okay, so our marginal propensity to consume, okay, with respect to w1 will be equal to this term, and I guess there is an option which looks exactly like this, so the option first should be correct. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video, so please watch part first to get any idea about what I have done in this part. Okay, thank you.